Hello everyone, welcome to Rasayan Academy guys once again. So there is an important notification about your GATE 2022 examination, and if you visit the website gate.iitkgp.ac.in, that is IIT Kharagpur is organizing the GATE 2022 examination. And if you visit this website, you'll be able to see the important dates and announcement for the upcoming GATE examination. Okay, so the GATE 2022 examination, the online application process has not started yet. It will start from 30th of August, but the information is provided to you beforehand so that you don't delay and you are already aware about all the dates, right? So 30th of August, the opening date of online application portal. 24th of September, closing date of online application portal, right? Then 1st of October, close date of online application portal, which is the extended period within the including the late fee. So I would suggest that when the information is given already, you fill the form within these dates only, right? Also, 26th of October, display of defective application for rectification. 1st of November is the last date for rectification of the applications, and 12th of November is the last date for the change of paper, the category and examination city along with the additional fee. So yes, these many dates are already given to you. So now what we have to do is we have to click on download information from here. So you're going to get the information brochure. If you want, you can download and read this before filling up the form on 30th of August, and directly download the GATE 2022 poster from here. Okay, so what is there in the poster? Let's see quickly. So first of all, guys, the organizing institute is IIT Kharagpur, as you can see. Okay, and the GATE examination, what is it? So it is a national examination jointly conducted by ISC Bangalore as well as the seven IITs. That is, you know what are the seven IITs: Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee. Okay, so qualifying in the GATE examination is going to get you, the doctoral fellowship basically, right? So you're going to get the fellowship from the MHRD, which is now named as the Ministry of Education. Okay. All right. Scholarship is definitely one benefit for your PhD and enrollment. But other than that, the GATE score is also used for the PSUs, right? Which PSUs you are going to get the job you're going to apply, like ONGC, NPCL, right? BHEL, Gale, and so all, right? So we will make a descriptive video about that as well. What are the benefits and FAQs about GATE examination? So for now, you can just have a proper look at what is the eligibility. Still, in the last year only the eligibility has changed. A BSc third year student can also give this examination, and it remains the same over here. A BSc third year or higher year of any undergraduate degree program, or the one who has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, and arts, all of them can sit for the GATE 2022 examination. Okay. Now, the GATE 2022 examination will be conducted for the following papers. If you are in chemistry, right, if you are opting for chemistry, you can actually sit for two papers at one time. Okay. So, a candidate may appear either in one or two subject papers depending on the thing that the timings are not clashing for the papers. Okay. So, the combination must be from the approved list of combinations and subject to the availability of infrastructure and date. So where are you going to see this approved list? From the website itself. Okay, you can download the brochure, it is right over there, and we'll make a detailed video about that as well. Now about the application fee, the female candidates or the SC/ST PWD only have to apply 750 for one paper. An extended period, that is the late fee, including the late fee, you are going to have to pay 20 1250. All right. And all the other candidates who are in the OBC or the general category will pay 1500, and with the late fee 2000, right? So the examination dates will be 5th of February, 6th 12th and 13th. So yes, these are the tentative dates given by the IIT Kharagpur, and definitely it is mentioned that because of the COVID-19 situation, the date could change in future. All right, so that will be updated in the on the website. We just have to be aware and just go on checking the website. So the opening date of online registration is 30th of August, as you already know now. So we you just have to be keen and constantly checking the website after 30th of August. Okay, and yes, all of these are dates are mentioned. Guys, more about the GATE 2022 examination as well as its benefits and the FAQs will be discussed in the upcoming video, right? And till then, I just hope that you are studying and keep studying, guys. The examinations will be there. ठीक है, and don't lose hope about anything and just keep on working hard. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.